Now next example is 2y plus 5 upon y is equal to y minus 6. Now here 2y plus 5 upon y is equal to y minus 6. This is given. Now here this is not a quadratic equation, but here if we multiply both sides by y, then this will become a quadratic equation. So multiplying both sides by y. Both sides means each term it is multiplied by y. Now I will tell you every step how we have to solve it. We have to multiply both sides by y. So here this each term of this equation it is multiplied by y. So it is y into 2y plus y into 5 upon y is equal to, now this is y into y minus 6 into y. So we get 2 ones are 2, y into y is y square. Here this y cancel. So it is plus 5 is equal to y into y is y square minus 6y. Now we have to transfer both the terms to this side. So it is 2y square plus 5 minus y square plus 6y equal to 0. Now here this 2y square minus y square plus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. Now 2y square minus y square is y square plus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. We have to find out factors of this. So here coefficient of y square is 1. So here 1 into 5 it is equal to 5, and then we have to find out factors. Now here this is positive, this is also positive. So both the factors are positive here. So we want here 6. So if we write the factor 5 into 1. So 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1 6. And therefore here the factors are y square plus 5y plus y plus 5 equal to 0. So here y is common, y plus 5, from these two terms 1 is common. So plus 1, y plus 5 equal to 0, and therefore we have y plus 5 into y plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore y plus 5 equal to 0 or y plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore y is equal to minus 5 or y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of equation. Now this is the last example of factorization method. So 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0, this is given. Now here 3 into 2, coefficient of x square is 3 and constant term is 2. So 3 into 2 it is equal to 6. Now we have to find out the factors of this 6 such that the sum is minus 2. Now here factors of this 6 are, here the coefficient of middle term is minus 2 root 6. So if we write here root 6 into root 6, these are the factors. So root 6 into root 6 is 6, and root 6 plus root 6 is 2 root 6. but here we have minus 2 root 6, so both the factors are negative. So it is 3x square minus root 6x plus root 6x plus 2, it is equal to 0. So now here 3x square and root 6x. To find out the common factor, here this 3 is written as root 3 into root 3, that is 3x square, minus this root 6, it is written as root 3 into root 2x. Again this root 6 is also written by the same way, so negative. Again it is written as root 3 into root 2x and plus this 2 is written as root 2 into root 2, it is equal to 0. This question is of 3 marks, and therefore now from these two terms we have root 3 here and here also, and here is x square and here is x. So the common factor is root 3x. So what is left here? Root 3x minus here is root 2, because root 3x is common. Now here it is negative, so take out minus sign. Now here is root 2. Root 2 is common here from these two terms. So we have root 3x plus minus root 2. इथे हे मायनस का बरं आलं? कारण की मायनस आपण इथून जर कॉमन घेतला आहे तर प्लसचं काय होईल? मायनस. And therefore we have root 3x minus root 2 common, and here what is left? Into root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. And therefore we have root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore root 3x is equal to root 2, or again here we get same, is equal to root 2, and therefore x is equal to root 2 upon root 3, or x is equal to again root 2 upon root 3. Here this equation have both the factors common. याला आपण rationalize पण करू शकतो. So it is x is equal to root 2 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Same root 3 into root 2 upon root 3. So here we have x is equal to root 6 upon 3, or x is equal to again root 6 upon 3 is the solution of equation. Now tomorrow I will take next method, that is formula method.